am Erin Joyce. I'm the district consultant for the Oil Creek Library District, which is headquartered in Oil City Library, and I'm going to walk you through how to add a partner library onto your Libby app today. Those of you who have used Libby in the past, you know that we did have a recent update, so it looks a little different than it used to. But what you do want to do is you want to go to the little Libby icon in the center. And you'll see we have the Seneca District Libraries card that we added the last time. We're going to add a library here, and then you can search for the libraries that we have as partners. So I'm going to add the Erie County Public Library in this tutorial, but we are also partners with Newcastle and Crawford County Federated Library System. So you can click on Erie, and then you want to make sure you click on I'm visiting from another library. Click the Oil Creek Library District, and then you'll be able to select your library from the Oil Creek. Put your library card number in there and sign in. And there you are. And you can use, while you're using Libby, this little library card here shows you the colors of the library that you're searching at. So if you click on that library card, that takes you back to the home of whatever library card you're using. If you go back to the Libby head, you can then click on the library here, and you'll see that that library card did change. That's one of the ways you can switch back and forth between the different libraries. You can also take a look and see what library has. So if you see a book like this one that's in our collection or in somebody else's collection, and you click on the little library card symbol, you can see if there's any other copies available and how long people are waiting for them in the other partner libraries. Thank you for watching this, and I hope it was helpful.